everybody. My name is Marie-Christine Claveau and I'm an artist from Rosswood, BC. I would like to acknowledge that I'm a lucky guest on the Tsimshian territory. And I'm here today to talk to you about the fundraising that we're doing for Skeena Wild and the Daniel Video Fund. Daniel was a friend of mine, and he was a avid protector of the salmon and its habitat. And I think that that just inspired me to give this painting to this cause. Yes, so this painting is called Early Bird, and it was painted in memory of another friend of mine that was also a good fisherman. And I think that Skeena Wild does an amazing job at the protection of the salmon and its habitat. This is something that's important for me, and it's important for my daughter and the future of this place, and it's the base of what makes Terrace area beautiful. So I really hope that people participate and help out Skeena Wild, and you get a beautiful